Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Nasser from Cairo, Egypt. I am a native Arabic speaker. I'm here to help you master modern standard Arabic and the Egyptian accent and the Holy Quran with Tajweed. If you are looking for an easy and fun way to learn, you have come to the right place. I don't just teach phrases. I provide a structured curriculum designed especially for non-native speakers. Together, we will work on your reading, writing, listening, and speaking skills using simplified materials that I will provide for you. If you love the Egyptian dialect, we will practice it in a friendly, natural way so you can speak like a local. And for Quran students, I will guide you to recite and memorize it with a perfect tajweed, inshallah. Now, are you still waiting? Come on, let's start the journey together. Book your trial lesson now. And I will see you soon, inshallah. And assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.